talking a lot of nonsense with your mom. With your mom. It's going down. We gon' stop. We gon' stop.
South African rugby has been plunged into mourning following the sudden death of promising young prop Luqobo Pipo Makwedini, who collapsed after a training session with French club AS Bizes Herald on Friday. The 20-year-old front row forward reportedly fell ill at the conclusion of a morning training session at Stade de la Garonne before being rushed to hospital, where he passed away several hours later. French media reports suggest Makwedini may have suffered a cardiac arrest, although the official cause of death has not yet been confirmed. A product of Wynberg Boys High School in Cape Town, Makwedini had recently joined Bezos Academy ahead of the 2025-2026 season. Widely regarded as one of the club's most exciting young talents, he had already been identified as a player destined for promotion to the senior squad for the upcoming Pro D2 campaign. Tragically, he never had the opportunity to make his first team debut. The devastating news was confirmed by the club on Friday evening in a heartfelt statement issued by club president and former Springbok captain Bob Skinstad. He said Luqobo joined our training center during the off-season and quickly became a valued member of the Red and Blue family. His commitment, kindness, and personal qualities deeply impressed everyone at the club. Skinstad described the loss as a heartbreaking moment for the entire organization, and said today the entire Red and Blue family is united in mourning and deeply shaken by this heartbreaking loss. We extend our deepest condolences and heartfelt sympathy to his family, loved ones, teammates, and all those who had the privilege of knowing him. The club also appealed for privacy as Makwedini's family, friends, and teammates come to terms with the tragedy. The statement further stated, "We respectfully request that the club, our players, and people's loved ones be given the time and privacy they need to grieve during the extremely difficult period." Tributes quickly poured in from across the French rugby community. The French Professional Rugby Players Union Provail expressed their condolences to Makwedini's family and pledged their support to Bezos during what they described as an incredibly difficult time. Bezos Supporters Association also paid tribute to the young South African, extending its sympathies to his loved ones, teammates, and club official Saul Logenberg, who was reportedly a guiding figure to Makwedini during his time in France. Makwedini built his reputation as a powerful and dynamic tight-head prop at Wynberg Boys High, where his performances earned him SA Under-18 honors. Despite standing at 1.76 meters, the 119 kg front rower combined explosive power with impressive mobility. One of his standout moments came during Wynberg's emphatic 35-8 victory over Bishops in 2024, when his footwork created the final try as the school preserved its unbeaten record. His performances attracted the attention of Bezos, who signed him to their academy before he relocated to France last year to continue his rugby journey. His untimely death comes just weeks before the start of the new Pro D2 season, cutting short the career of a gifted young player whose future in professional rugby appeared exceptionally bright. May his soul rest in peace, sending love and prayers to his family and friends. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.